Guys, let your friends also know that the session has started. Today we are going to discuss about the project, guys. Let your friends also know that the session has started, guys. I'll be waiting 10 more minutes till 2:35. I'll be waiting, guys. Let your friends also know that the session has started. Yes, guys, I see a message called. I don't receive any workshop links in my mail. What workshop are you talking about, guys? Is it from Spark Intels? Just give me a clarify there so that I can answer you guys. Someone is saying that they didn't get a mail regarding the workshop. Just can me clarify it so that I can answer you. Okay, sir, in the IIC portal, yes, guys, you need to apply to Gen AI with IBM Cloud. The course which you have choose, right? From the starting itself, I am saying right. You need to choose only Gen AI with IBM. From the starting itself, I am saying you need to choose Gen AI with IBM. You can enroll into one course only, that is Gen AI with IBM. And the AppShe also should follow the same process. Most of them had choose the other other courses. No worries for that. You are not going to get the certification for other courses, guys. You get certification only for Gen AI. So you need to enroll for Gen AI itself. I hope I am clear. Good afternoon, sir. Explain about the project in details. Yes, today I'm going to explain regarding the projects, guys. Let your friends also know that the session has started. Very less people has joined. Till 1,000 people need to be joined, guys. On a regular basis, more than 1,500 people used to join. Today, still 1,000 people need to join, guys. Good afternoon, sir. I have tried several times using the three links. Yeah, regarding the Google Cloud, no worries, sir will be explaining you. Today is just project explanation, guys. Please don't ask me regarding the Google Cloud or everything, okay? The project we need to complete, guys. In the last week also, I need to explain regarding the project. We didn't got the time to complete that because I was explaining the other doubts regarding the attendance. These are all right. Today I will be concentrating on projects itself. Okay, explanation regarding the projects itself. So don't ask me any other questions. We don't have any time for that. Sir is yeah. Okay. Yeah, you don't give me some time also. You have asked the question at 2:31 and the same question as repeated again at 2:32. Just give me some time, guys. I am repeating multiple times. Just give me some time so that I will be answering you. Just give me for like 5 minutes time, right? You are not giving any time, and how can I answer multiple queries at a single time? Sir, I don't not receive the smart instance media even after informing to the Ganesh sir. Should I wait for some more time or should I ask Ganesh sir? Okay, just wait some more time. He will be clearing. I think he will be clearing till Tuesday. This Tuesday, Monday and Tuesday, he will be clearing you. No worries, guys. Sir, is it mandatory to complete the Google load? It is. You need to concentrate on IBM, guys, not Google Cloud courses. Okay. Mostly try to complete. It is mandatory to complete IBM. Google Cloud, if sir is saying you, it is for your help itself. It may be helpful for you. If sir is saying you to complete Google Cloud also, it can be helpful for you. But completing the IBM course is mandatory. AppShe portal. What what can I do, guys, if AppShe doesn't have your college name? Okay, you are saying that you are unable to select your project. Okay. Mm, your college name is not available in the action. Okay. Regarding that, I will discuss, guys. No worries. We'll clarify it till the end of the session. Okay. I will be asking the operation team regarding the term. No worries. Just while ending the class, just ping me the same question again, sir. Some members in the WhatsApp group are having workshop and adding it. Regarding the workshop, what workshop they are talking about? Just I don't know what workshop you are talking about. Who have shared you the mail? The last week also you are talking about that someone has got some mails and they are completing the courses From our side, they didn't share any mails, guys. The one mail you are going to receive is from Smart Intents portal, or if you are getting absent, those are the mails you are going to get. If you are getting some other mails, I don't know where you are getting from. Just give me a minute. Okay. You are asking just ఏం చేయాలి sir. This message means me nothing, guys. I have told you. Repeat your question. మీ క్వశ్చన్ ని మళ్ళా పెట్టండి. Okay. You are asking what I have to do. I can't search your query going the Akshay portal of my college. Okay. In Akshay portal, your college name is not there. Okay. I will be asking the team what they can regarding that. Okay. Okay. I will be sharing the all self-learning courses. No worries, sir. What labs in this not? Okay. Those labs are not that much mandatory, guys. You need to complete those IBM courses which we are sharing daily. Those are mandatory. These labs are not that much mandatory, guys. This Martin as well. Sir, we have applied IIC on Friday, but it's not approved. They will be approving, guys. No worries. It's Friday, right? I think today is Saturday. They will be uploading. They will be approving from till Monday or Wednesday. No worries. Sir, some numbers. Those are same question. I'm repeating once again. If you are repeating this your question once again, I see that you people repeat the same questions once again. I'm not going to answer that. That's it. Appship portal college. Same. So what about the credits? You don't. Sir, can you share friends copy log? No, I'll be not sharing any reference copy by guys. I will be explaining how to build your project from beginning to ending, guys. See, I'll be waiting 5 more minutes, guys. Let your friends also know that the session has started. Still more people need to be joining the session. Close it to 700 people. 700 people need to be joining the session. If I am explaining the doubts now, they are going to ask me what are the doubts again. They are going to ask me the repeated questions regarding the projects. I need to repeat it again. So let your friends also know that the session has started, guys. I'll be waiting 5 minutes. Okay. If they are not saying I am waiting 10 minutes. Okay. That's it. Till 250. 250 is going to be our last time. I am going to continue from there. Okay. Let your friends also know that the session has started, guys. Yeah, guys, am I audible to you? Can you hear me, guys? Thank you, guys. I will be sharing my screen. Just wait. Can you see my screen, guys? Okay. Share the PPT then. Sustainable. The project title is Sustainable Smart City Assistant using IBM Connect. What model we are going to use, guys? IBM Connect. As I told you, IBM models are the one we are going to use. Only IBM models we are going to use, guys. Not any other models. You can find these IBM models. You can get these IBM models through IBM Cloud account or Hugging Face. In Hugging Face also you can get it. Coming to this project is an AI powered system that, that helps make the city more sustainable and citizen friendly. It uses IBM Granite large language models and modern data tools. This platform includes many helpful tools like dashboard showing dashboard showing the city health and environment and way for citizens to give feedback to give feedback. Tools that can summarize long documents, eco-friendly eco-friendly advices for the people of the cities. These are all the things you can add in your application, guys. The system is built on fast API, backend, and Streamlit on frontend. So you can use Streamlit also or fast API, guys. To build this model, so you can use Streamlit or fast API. Okay. These are all what are these Streamlit and fast API. These are all the libraries we have to build an application. To build an application, we are going to use to build an application. We are going to use Streamlit. To build an web page like this, which I am showing you right now. To build an web page, we are going to use API. Hope you are clear with it. These are all the features. Coming to the functionalities. These are functionalities you can use, or depth I have given you explanation what are the functionalities you can use. City here, city health dashboard. Show air quality, noise levels, water quality. For example, just give a functionality where a person can see this particular city's noise levels, air quality. These are all he can give. He can get using real time or historical data. Better go with historical data. It can, I think the most of the granite models use the historical data. I think they are not trained with real time data. They are going to give the historical data itself. No worries. Citizen feedback system. Yeah, citizen can report problems, garbage. These is one functionalities you can add, or document summarization tool. Summarize city policies, news, or official documents. Yeah, regarding the cities, what we have to do, where we can go, where we can have a nice dinner in a city. These are all you can understand. you can use these functionalities in your application. Eco advice assistant, you eco tips, house offices, save energy, and what are the plans city is going through. Yeah. And what are the library? What are the languages we are going to use, guys? Python is the language we are going to use for building our application, because most of the libraries to build an Gen AI or deep learning models, we are going to use Python itself. I hope it is clear now. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the Q&A session, guys, regarding this city plan. Just any voice is not there. Is my voice clear, guys? Are you able to hear me, guys? Okay, I see a thumbs up. Okay. For most of the people, the voice is clear. Just check your internet, guys. If you have any queries, please let me know in the Q&A session. Regarding the functionalities, guys, I have told you, right? Functionalities, your wish. You can use any functionalities. Me wish you can ఏదైనా ఫంక్షనాలిటీస్ చూస్ చేసుకోండి. అవి కాకపోతే కొత్త ఫంక్షనాలిటీస్ అన్నది చూస్ చేసుకోండి. ఫంక్షనాలిటీస్ అంటే ఏం లేదు. ఇప్పుడు చాట్ జీపీటీలో మనం వాయిస్ కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు, టెక్స్ట్ కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు, డాక్యుమెంట్స్ కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు. డాక్యుమెంట్ ఒక ఫంక్షనాలిటీ, టెక్స్ట్ ఇవ్వడం ఒక ఫంక్షనాలిటీ. ఇది ఒక ఫంక్షనాలిటీస్. కానీ ఇన్ దిస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్, ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్లో మనము మీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ బట్టి యూ కెన్ చూస్ ద ఫంక్షనాలిటీస్. I hope that's clear. If you have any queries, please let me know in the Q&A session, guys. I'm just leaving these. Okay. Sir, ఎలా చేయాలి చెప్పండి సార్. Okay. Regarding the project, how to build the project, I am going to explain you from the first, please. Okay. Sir, can you use Java? No, guys, you need to use Python. So, yes, you need to upload your project in the GitHub. First, try to complete the project by, guys. I will be explaining how to submit it. You need to upload in the GitHub, then you need to paste the same GitHub repository link in the smart attendance board. Okay. Sir, can you give me a demo project video? No, right now. Sir, what is the last date to submit the project? As we discussed before, I have given you a last date, right? I think the last date I have given before was May 14th. I think the May 14th I have given the last date, right? June 20th. Who told you the June 20th is the last date? The PDF form or link. Okay, I'm not getting what was the query here. Okay, just give me a detail. Yesterday, sir. Today. Yesterday, sir. Okay. No worries, guys. I will explain you how to build a project. Literally, sir, can you please me explain how about the project? Okay, just give me a minute. I will be explaining about it again. I hope you are able to see my screen, guys. The project title is Sustainable Smart City Assistant. This project is an AI-powered system that help make more cities sustainable and citizen-friendly. This project, why we are building this project? Because to make a city sustainable and citizen-friendly. What do you mean by that? When a person tries to enter into a new city, there you need to understand some details like where are the landmarks of this city, and let's say some other things like we have talked like air quality and noise pollution and water quality. We have talked about it, right? This is the project about. When you are visiting a new city, simply understand that we are building an application to understand when I am visiting a new city, what is that air quality in that city and what is traffic traffic rate in that city and what are the landmarks are in the city. These are the functionalities you can give. City health dashboard. This is just an example functionalities, guys. You no need to give these specific functionalities. You can give any functionalities as you wish. Okay. Here first example is city health dashboard, and another thing you can use is what is the what are the landmarks in this specific city. These are all the functionalities. You can think about it, guys, and you can give it. Anything, sir? Can you please give me the project title once again? Yeah, I'll be sharing you the project titles, guys. No worries, sir. We don't to claim the credits. Regarding the credits, sir will be explaining you. No worries. Today's session is about the project and the phases of the project completion. I will be explaining. No, sir. When did you give it? No. Are you clear with the concept, guys? Sir, screen is not visible. Are you able to see my screen, guys? I will be explaining. Yeah, I will be explaining which platform you need to use, guys. I will be explaining which platforms you need to use whenever you based on your laptop configuration. మీకు ల్యాప్టాప్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ బట్టి మీరు ఏ ల్యాప్టాప్ యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు, ఓకే, ఏ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. సారీ, సింపుల్గా ఈ సస్టైనబుల్ సిటీ, స్మార్ట్ సిటీ ఏంటంటే, మీరు ఒక సిటీకి వెళ్తే ఇలాంటి యాప్ ఉందనుకో, వీ కెన్ గెట్ ల్యాండ్ మార్క్స్, ఏమేమి ల్యాండ్ మార్క్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇంకా ఎయిర్ క్వాలిటీ ఎట్లా ఉంది. సమ్ పీపుల్ నీడ్ టు గో త్రూ ది health of the city, right? Status of this city, because if they are trying to move for a long time, they want to move into the city, they need to understand that. For that, we are building an application where where a person can come to our application, can find some landmarks, or you can add multiple functionalities you can add. Okay, landmarks, let's say best food items, these are all you can add. Okay, I have given you multiple examples, you can go through it. I can't understand anything about the project. Please guide me what to do. Yeah. Just understand the application, how application works. For now, how application works. Like whenever you are using ChatGPT, why you need to enter the ChatGPT? There you want to get some information out of the LLM models. In the same way, here also, why we are using sustainable city application. Why we are using sustainable smart city application? Because we need to get some details about the city. Just understand what is an application, how application working, so that you can choose what project fits for you. Okay, regarding the teams, guys, I will be telling you, no worries, a few seconds, just give me some time, just go through the project for now. Do you have any doubts regarding the project, guys? Please let me know. Sustainable city, smart city, if you have any doubts regarding the sustainable smart city, please let me know. Okay, if you have decided to do the project totally by yourself, that's good, guys. If you are going solo, that's good. Once again, I am going to remind you that you are going to do only one project. Either by dividing to the teams, that is called group project, either by being a solo person in the team. Okay, మీరు టీమ్స్గా డివైడ్ అనేది చేయొచ్చు, లేకపోతే ఒకళ్ళన్నా ఉండొచ్చు. టీమ్స్గా డివైడ్ అయితే టీమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్, ఒకళ్ళు ఉంటే సోలో ప్రాజెక్ట్, అంతే. ఒకటే ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేస్తారు మీరు, దట్స్ ఇట్. సోలో ప్రాజెక్ట్ సపరేట్ కాదు, టీమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ సపరేట్ కాదు. First of all, how to start the project. This is how talking to a sir, guys. This is how you talk to a sir. First of all, how you start the project. I will be explaining you. I am saying you right. Just understand how the applications are working. Then I will be explaining you how to build that application. Right? First, sustainable city we have understood. In the sustainable city, Regarding the credentials, I am not going to give any details right now, guys. I am going to explain about the project itself. In the last week also, we have wasted 2 hours of time regarding the simple loads, regarding the links, WhatsApp links, regarding the attendance. These are all not needed. What is needed is, and at the end of the day, we need the project, complete project, right? If you are completing the project, that means you have completed the internship. I hope that's clear. First, you need to understand how the application works, like why you are using Google to search something. In the same way, we are understanding our projects, why we are building these projects, and we'll be understanding how we are going to build these projects. So please upload the separate video in the YouTube playlist about the projects. Yeah, this particular video on 31st April, May. Yeah, 31st May. This particular project is regarding this particular this particular session is regarding how to build a project. Okay. Just give me more minutes, guys. I will be explaining how to build the other projects also. Okay. Let's go through the other project also, how to build the other project. Health AI. Okay. Health AI is an intelligent healthcare assistant using IBM Connect. Health AI is an intelligent using IBM Connect model to help people understand their health better. It uses smart answers to health queries, predict probable disease based on the symptoms, and suggest treatment options. It also shows health data in simple chart. Health AI is built on with Streamlit for simple web interface and using IBM Watson for powerful AI processing. It keeps your data safe and no need of the TK. Health AI. In this application, a person comes. If we want to, if a user, what he can do in this application means he can give his symptoms. What are the symptoms he has? Okay. Then he can understand. According to the symptoms, you have some flu. Okay. If he has a headache, if he has a throat pain, if he has a fever, we can say that he has a corona. These are all the features. These are all the symptoms for the corona, right? If a person comes and uses symptoms, model going to predict that he has a so and so disease. Then some other things you can add in this functionalities are patient chart assistant. Ask questions. What do sore throat mean? Yeah. Here a patient come. Here a patient can come and ask to the to our chatbot. What is that? What does sore throat means? Regarding a disease also you can ask, and symptoms we have discussed. Disease prediction, same symptoms, input symptoms, and the output is going to be it is going to predict. Personalized treatment planner suggest home remedies. Yeah. So you can use, let's say a person come and just came and just you like I have some flu. So model should give him what are the home remedies he can use for the disease. I think that's clear. Regarding the health AI, yes guys, if you have any queries, please let me know in the Q&A session, guys. Sir, can you Can you form a team of two and start working on project? Yes, guys, you can form a team of two and you can start working on the project. Regarding the project, just hold for a minute, guys. I will be explaining you. I will be giving a detailed explaining regarding the projects also, how to build the project. Okay, just give me a minute. I hope you are clear with the health AI project, guys. What are the functionalities a person can add? Disease prediction, home remedies, and he can understand what is an sore throat means. These are all he can do. Are you clear with the project, guys? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please share the WhatsApp group link. Yeah, we are still in the WhatsApp group. No. Okay, just give me a minute. Yeah, guys. Once again, I have shared you the WhatsApp group link. If any one of you still haven't joined the any WhatsApp group, just go through it and join it, guys. Okay, we have discussed about the stable smart city, sustainable smart city, and health AI. Can you tell me about the STLC? Okay, I will be explaining this. Shit. Smart STLC. Okay. AI enhanced software development lifecycle. Okay. What is that means? Smart SDLC is a smart platform that use AI to help. Sharing the screen. Are you able to see my screen, guys? Please explain. Okay, guys, thank you. After applying into Gen AI with IBM Cloud course, they will be explaining you guys. No worries, they will be approving you. Then you can start completing the internship. That's it. What's your internship? Smart SDIL is a smart platform for using that uses AI to help developers with all stages of software development. It uses IBM Watson LangChain. No need to use all that. IBM Granite is more than enough. And Streamlit to make tasks easier and faster. The system can understand projects' requirements, write code, create test cases, fix bugs, and write documentation. All with the help of AI. User can upload files, like he can share the project abstract, and the system turns into a structured task and work code. Yeah, working code. There is also a helpful chatbot that answers the developers' questions. These are all the features we can add in the help AI, guys. No worries. Okay. These are all not our content. Control Z. This paragraph is not needed. In the Smart STL platform, a user can create a code. Just he can create a code, or he can just give his code and he can say, fix my bugs. And model can fix that. What are the functionalities we can give here are PDF format based requirement analysis, upload a PDF or write a prompt. AI extracts keys, software requirements, and organize them. Okay. AI code generation, generate front end code for user. Okay. Front and back end code. Select language. Yeah. Okay. Test use case generate automatically create unit text or fundamental text for code. Okay. If you are giving an application, it is going to test a use case. This is not much useful. The far last, it is a huge concept there to building in test case generator. No worries. Just go with the simple functionalities. Like, let's say a person want to build an application. A person want to build an application. He comes to our, what is that? Smart STLC. Smart STLC platform. Let's say a user want to build an application called, let's say Zomato itself. I'm giving a small example. A user want to come, he came to our application and he want to build an application. He want to replicate an Zomato application. He just give a prompt and our model should give him a code, front end code and back end code. Front end pages code and back end code. He need to, if he refers to a particular language, it is just a simple chatbot. It is one functionalities. Then another functionalities is going to be fixing the bug, fixing the bug. And third functionalities can be the documentation creation. Whenever fixing a bug means a person comes to our application, he came to our application and he gave a code and he's saying fix bug. Then our model need to fix it. That's it. Documentation. He gave a code. I want a documentation for this. Then our model need to give documentation. These are all the three functionalities I have given, guys. Smart STL also I have given the three functionalities, simple functionalities, or you can choose multiple functionalities as you wish. Okay, you can go with these functionalities or send us the requirement PPT as we saw in this session. Okay, you're ordering me, Abdul, to send it. See, Abdul, I have told you multiple times when you have joined the session. I don't know when you have joined the session, but if you are repeating this question, if you are repeating the same process again, I'm not going to answer your questions. Okay? Same query multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next time I'm not going to answer. Next time I answer what you know. Same query, or if you are repeating this many times, I'm not going to answer, guys. Okay? No problem. I will be not sharing the PPT, guys. This PPT I cannot share you. Sir, can we make group of 5 members? No, guys, only 4 members, maximum 4 members. Sir, I did research on it. I don't know how to do. If you can explain about example projects, okay. I will be explaining you guys. No worries. Sir, don't got it. Okay, sir, can you please share the projects? Sir, the message is not sending in my system. Sorry for that. Okay, no problem. Regarding the projects, guys, I have shared you all the titles. Once again, I have shared your titles. What are the titles we have? Edututor AI, Smart SDLC, we have discussed now. Sustainable City, Health AI. These are all the titles we have. We have discussed about the 3 projects. One project is Edututor. No, Edututor. One project is Sustainable. Sir, is this project about creating a chatbot for selected titles? Yeah, we can say chatbot, not particularly a chatbot you are going to create, guys. Everything is a chatbot. If you go through it, any application you are building right now will be a chatbot because LLM, we are chatting with the LLM, right? So why are you eager about the second quiz, guys? I don't know why. Someone has sent a message to my WhatsApp also, personal WhatsApp. Why you are so curious about the second quiz? I am not getting it. Projects are important, right? Sir, how to let me? I will be sharing the quiz, guys. No worries about that. Sir, how to let know that we have selected a particular project. Regarding that, guys, I will be explaining that also. How you are going to tell us which of the project you have chosen. Sir, I feel that the projects are more complex. Do we get any guidance? Yeah, I will be there, guys. Till the completing the projects, I will be there. Sir, should we select the project only from this? Yes. From From these 5 titles only you can choose, guys. Sir, YT channel link. Okay, I will be sharing you, no worries. Once till at the end of the class I will be sharing. Just give me some time. So we are creating LLM like voice. No, LLM you cannot build it, guys. LLM is a big thing. You are using LLM to build an application. That's it. LLM to build an application. To build an LLM, it is going to take like 3 to 4 months. If you are expert, it is going to take 3 to 4 months. If you are expert, or it is going to so costly to build a number LLM to build a ChatGPT itself. It is very costly. If you check it, they are building an application using LLMs. That's it. You are not building an LLM. Sir, I'm not receiving mails from SmartWatch. What to do? I kept mail 5 days ago. Okay, he will be responding you guys. No worries. Yeah, I'm not sharing my screen. Attendance links. Attendance. Why you are asking about the attendance links? I am not getting it every sessions you are asking about the attendance link. Attendance. Once again, I am explaining you how attendance is taken. You are joining the class, right? If you are staying till the end of the class, your attendance will be taken. Okay. క్లాస్ జాయిన్ అవుతారు, మీ క్లాస్ చివరి వరకు క్లాస్లో ఉన్నారు, మీకు అటెండెన్స్ పడుతుంది. ఎట్లా పడుతుంది అంటే మీ నేమ్, మీ ఈమెయిల్ అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ గివెన్ యువర్ కాలేజ్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఆల్సో. విత్ దిస్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు మార్క్ యువర్ అటెండెన్స్. సార్ వీఆర్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ టు అవర్ లెక్చర్ రిగార్డింగ్ దీస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్. ఓకే, I will be giving a detailed lecture only. Yeah, mandatory things for the project completion. Okay, I will be explaining that also. We have built projects. Yeah, guys, if you have any doubts regarding other projects, you can ask me now. Regarding classes, I will be sharing the links, guys. Without using IBM and Canva. Yeah. Without using IBM and Canva, what I'm not understanding, sir. How, sir, are there any helpers for your side while doing the project? No, you have to do the project, guys. Sir, could you please explain the value? Okay, and CTA also. I'll be explaining that also, sir. I don't anyone who joined in the course. How can I form it? Yeah, regarding that also I will discuss. Yeah, you can team up with boys and girls, guys. No worries of that. Only 4 members should be there in the team. If your college is not allowing, okay, if your college is not allowing to make teams with girls and boys, okay, it is not in my hands. If it is allowed, you can go with it. Okay, only 4 members in a team. It is basically in your college hands, not in my hands. Can you share all the IBM courses? I will be sharing you, no worries. The video, the link for the recorded classes or recording classes are in the I have given, guys. Our classes recording will be shared in the specific playlist. I have shared you the link, sir. We were searching placements regarding the projects. Why is it? Huh? I don't know regarding that. If you are instructed To meet your placement office, I don't know that to complete a project. Can we use help of chat? Yeah, you can use help of ChatGPT. Yes, no worries. For some difference. For some difference. Okay. If you have any queries, please let me know. Sir, the project, the course, what we have to do. Sir, share the. Okay, I will be sharing over. Yeah, just give me a minute, guys. What we are discussing, Hugging Face. If you are able to create your account, you can use, you can create an API key in the IBM Cloud account, and you can use that. If you are unable to create IBM account, just go through the process which I am sharing, now. Okay, like search for Hugging Face. You will be able to access the Hugging Face. You will be redirected into this specific portal. Then you need to log in, guys. As I have logged in here, in the same way also, in the same way you need to log in. If you come here, you can access the tokens of Hugging Face. Access token. If you click here on access the tokens, you need to confirm your password first, then you can build it. Accessing our tokens. Here you can access two models. Okay, these are the three models we have. In Hugging Face, we can build an application using API key or by downloading the model. We need to search for granite. This is one method. First, you can access your API key here. I have told you two methods, right? Multiple methods. For now, we have understood two methods. First method, you can create one API key, create new API key, and use that API key to build your application. Or you can search for IBM Granite 3.32 billion instruct. Okay, this is best. Why I'm using this model itself? Because I think this model size is itself. This model size is. Are you able to hear me, guys? Is my voice clear? And are you able to see my screen? 5 GB. Model size is itself 5 GB, guys. Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you for your response. If you are using this model, your laptop should have 5 GB space. Okay, if your laptop has 5 GB space, or let's say 10 GB space, then you can download this model into your specific laptop. There is a code for it. You can ask ChatGPT to how to download model. After downloading the model, you can use it in your applications also, or just you can go with Hugging Face tokens. Restart up. What restart? I am not able to understand. Okay. There is two ways to build a model in Hugging Face. One method is using what, guys? Using Hugging Face API key is one method. Using a Hugging Face API key is one method, and another method is what, guys? Downloading the model. One thing you can use API key. Other thing is you can download the model and use it. Regarding the API key, I have explained you where you can access the API key. Click on your account, access API key. Then you can create your API key and then you can use it. ఒకవేళ మీ API key వర్క్ అవుతే you go with first method. ఓకే, ఒకవేళ మీకు API key వర్క్ అవ్వట్లేదు, మీ మోడల్ రెస్పాన్స్ ఇవ్వట్లేదు, just go with another method where you can download the model. Okay, what was the model name, guys? Granite 2.2, sorry, 3.32 billion instruct. You can go with API key or you can go with downloading the model. ఒకవేళ మీ దగ్గర 5 GB లేదు, you don't have a 5 GB space or greater than, just say take 10 GB space, guys. 10 GB of space in your laptop. You don't have a 10 GB space in your laptop. Okay, at that time you can go with what, guys? Google Colab. Okay, Google Colab. You can deploy your project in Google Colab. Okay, just I will write a notes then. As it is an important session for you, I will write down a notes here. New tab. Building a model in Hugging Face. Face. We have two options. One, use API key. Where you can find the API key? Click on your profile, then access token, then create token. This is your API key. No? Some. This is your API key. You can ask ChatGPT where is I want to integrate Hugging Face model using API key, and ChatGPT will give you a code for that. Okay. Second process is, what is the second process, guys? Downloading the model. Same way. How you can download it? Same thing. Go to ChatGPT, ask the code, I want to download the model to integrate in my application. Then building the model, we have got it. If you have a enough space, if you have enough space in your laptop, then you can go with this. Comes to the second process, guys. This is specifically for second process, when you can download the model. When you can download, when and where you can download the model, and where you can download them. If you have enough space, like no space, like 10 GB in your laptop, 10 GB better than 5 GB is better. 10 GB enough free space, then you can use, then you can download the model. Space is already not in the main thing, guys. RAM is also the main thing. The RAM is greater than, let's say, best RAM. Let's say greater than 8 GB RAM. Okay, 8 GB of the RAM if you have, you can go with downloading the model, because ఇది చిన్న మోడల్స్ కాదు గైస్, చాలా పెద్ద మోడల్స్ ఉంటాయి ఇవి. ఒకవేళ మీరు డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకుంటే మీ ల్యాప్టాప్లో మంచి స్పీడ్ ఉండాలి. ఫర్ దట్ యూ నీడ్ ఏ నైస్ ర్యామ్ ఫర్ దట్. ఓకే, if your laptop has greater than 8 GB RAM, then you can go with downloading the model. Download model in it's a laptop itself. Okay. If you are downloading the model in the laptop, these are the basic categories you need to follow. If you are downloading If you are using Google Colab, Colab, okay, in the laptop where you are going to build in VS Code, you need to build your app in VS Code. The VS Code is a software where you are going to run your application in the same way Google Colab. Google also have its own software where you can run your applications. It is Google Colab. If you have enough space, you can go with downloading your model. Storage storage should be greater than 5 GB. Okay, that's good. If you don't have these categories, guys, your laptop doesn't have 8 GB of space, 8 GB of RAM, and doesn't have 10 GB of storage, then you can go with what is Google Colab. Coming to Google Colab, where is Google Colab? Okay, just we are in the welcome page. Right now, I'm not creating any new notebook here. You have to change your runtime first. Change runtime. We have a CPU. We need to change it to GPU so that we get a fast response and we have more data, more space, more RAM. Okay. Google Colab. If you are downloading your in the laptop also same thing you are downloading, guys. In the Google Colab also you need to download same thing. Okay. You you need to change it to like click on what runtime. Runtime. Then go to change runtime. Change runtime type. Time type to T4 GPU. T4 GPU. That's it, guys. You need to change runtime to T4 GPU and save it. Then you need to start building your model here. Okay. These are all the things you need to understand, guys. Okay. I hope you are clear with it how to build your model. If you have IBM account, if you have you can access tokens. If you are unable to create IBM Cloud account, if you have IBM, if you have created IBM Cloud account, then you can use IBM's API key. If you are unable to create that account, go to Hugging Face, create it. Then use Hugging Face API key. If Hugging Face API key does not work, download its model. How to download the model and where to download the model. If your laptop has a good storage and RAM, you can download the model in your laptop. The best thing is go with the Google Colab. I would say First go with the API key. If your API key is not working, just skip this process of downloading the model in your laptop because it can slow down your laptop. Use Google Colab for that. Okay. I hope I'm clear now. If you have any queries, please let me know. Use Hugging Face. Sir, how to get the data for the project, sir? Okay. You are not getting the data, guys. You are not building a LLM model from the scratch. LLM models are built. We have LLM models. Hugging IBM Granite we have, and the IBM Watson models we have. IBM Granite models we are going to use to build the model. Sir, links and sir. I don't know why you are asking for the links, guys. Just for search for Hugging Face. The yesterday also you were asking for the IIC portal links. Search for IIC portal, guys. Apsha IIC portal, right? Okay. You are able to type Hugging Face here, but you are not able to type Hugging Face in the web itself. Or guys, after downloading the model, can we use the instructions steps to the ChatGPT to develop our Yeah, you can use ChatGPT, guys. You cannot You cannot write the total code, right? By yourself, you can use ChatGPT. Sir, I am joining full stack developers course link mail, but it shows me to show AI with IBM. Show what? You want to shift to full stack developer course? Just try to contact Ganesh sir. I will just share his mail like once again. No worries. Sir, please tell me what about the reason? What about the reason? What is the reason? Sir, can you explain how to use the IBM Cloud API key if already account is created? I have enough space. I have to down to IBM Granite. Okay. I have 3 point. I have more space. I have to do it. Okay, not regarding more space, guys. The best thing is use Hugging Face API. Don't download the model. Okay. If Hugging Face API is not working, then go for Google Colab. Don't try to download it in your laptop. IBM Cloud is asking to pay for it. If you are facing that issue, just go with Hugging Face, guys. Okay. If you are facing the issue of IBM asking the payment, just go with the Hugging Face. Okay. Use Hugging Face API key or download the Hugging Face model in the Google Colab. For fine tuning the model, sir, to build and solve the particular task. Sir, I am very new to the field. Actually, I am okay. If you are new to the free field, also no worries. Can I able to create? Yes, you can able to create it. Just I should not tell this part. I have already given the most of the instruction how to build a model. I have given you the prompt also basic prompt how to build a model, right? I have told you what. Just go to ChatGPT, type that build me an build me an web application called so and so your project title. Like I'll say I will take healthy AI itself. Build me an application called healthy AI using Hugging Face API key. The model name is this. The model I am going to use is IBM Granite model. My functionalities are user use a symptoms as input and my model predicts is diseases and home remedies. Use other functionality. What? Let's just give it two functionalities. Functionality is this. Second functionality is user gives a disease and the model gives a home remedies for the disease. Okay. I hope you are clear with that, guys. I have given you a simple prompt. Okay. If you are deploying it in your VS Code using the Hugging Face API key, use Flask. If you are deploying using Hugging Face API key. If we are using Hugging Face API key, best thing is to use Flask or Fast API. I think Flask or Fast API. Fast API for that. Okay. Fast API to deploy our project. Okay. Because the Fast API, you can create templates. Do you know web page templates, right? If you have worked with HTML or CSS, we have HTML templates, right? In the Fast API, you can create that HTML templates and work on that. You can use CSS for that. If you are using Hugging Face API key, best in VS Code. In VS Code, guys. In VS Code. ఒకవేళ మీరు విజువల్ స్టూడియోస్ మీ ల్యాప్టాప్లో డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకుని మీరు ప్రాజెక్ట్ బిల్డ్ చేయాలనుకుంటుంటే యూస్ ఫాస్ట్ ఏపీఐ బికాస్ it will look good and it will make your application interactive. Okay, if you are using a fast API because you are using templates for that. But if you are using Google Colab, if you are using Google Colab to download your project, download your project. To download our application, sorry, to download our model, you need to download, right, guys? We are downloading model. Then we are going with what? We are going with then use Gradio or Streamlit, guys. Streamlit for that, okay? You can go with Gradio or Streamlit. Okay, okay. If you are deploying the project in your laptop using Hugging Face API key, VS Code lo deploy చేస్తున్నారు, go with Fast API because it will make you can change multiple things in Fast API because we are using templates for that. You can change CSS. If you are changing CSS, it will look good. If we are using Streamlit, there is not much thing you can do. We cannot change it. We can change our black and white. If you want our application to look light color or dark color, these are only two features that the Streamlit gives. That wise, I give a best choice to go with Streamlit and deploy your project in VS Code. Okay, deploy your project in VS Code using Hugging Face API key. Or if you have account, go with IBM Cloud API key. Cloud API key. Okay, I think it's clear now, right? How to build your project? Ask ChatGPT. Just give a total prompt. I want to build my project. Let's say I want to build a project called Health AI, where Health AI, what we have discussed, Health AI. I want to build a project called Health AI using IBM Granite model, what the model was? What was the model name? Yeah, IBM Granite Institute. Yeah. How model is this one? IBM model. Okay. To be instruct. Okay. I think you are clear now. This is the model name. Just give a prompt that I want to build a healthy AI application. Which of the project you are choosing, there you can use the name sustainable AI, sustainable smart city, SDLC, or citizen AI. Anything you can use there. And sustainable smart city. Okay. I want to build a project called Healthy AI using IBM Granite 3B Instruct 3.3 2B Instruct. I want to use Hugging Face API key or IBM Cloud API key based on your whatever you have. Hugging Face API, if you have IBM Cloud API key, you can use that. Okay? Then I want to build using Hugging Face API key in that. Then I want to deploy it with faster. I want to use it. I want to deploy it with fast API. Or if you are deploying with Gradio, you can say that I want to deploy it with Gradio. And the functionalities of this project are when a user gives the symptoms, it need to detect what is the disease. When a user gives disease, you need to give you a home remedy for that disease to be cured. I think you are clear with the project, how to build a project, guys. I have given you a detailed summary. Total detailed summary is easier how to build your project. If you have any queries, please let me know. Sir, please send me this. I don't know why you are so interested in these quiz, guys. You don't want to complete the project? Just respond me about the project, guys. Sir, can you please send me the requirements? Okay. What are the requirements? Just ask for the ChatGPT, guys. ChatGPT also will give you the requirement. Whenever you're asked, when you are building your project in Fast API, it will try to install. It will say to install Fast API. These are all. Now, from completion, what we have to do. So, yeah. After prompt completion, guys, it will give you the code. What we have to do, just the code you need to paste in. If you are deploying in the Google Colab, you need to paste it in the Google Colab or in the VS Code. Yes, guys, regarding this. Sorry, guys, sorry regarding that. For the project domain, you can choose any domain. So if you are choosing healthy AI, it will be healthcare domain. If you are choosing smart city, that is given, that will be in the government domain. If you are choosing educator, 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 sorry, edutute, then that could be education domain. Based on the project title, you can choose the specific domain you as your wish. For my project, how can I select the domain? Domains are already selected, guys. You cannot choose a specific domain when we submit project. Regarding the project, I have explained you guys when you need to submit. You need to submit till Link for what? Sir, time అయిపోతుంది. Just you don't want about the quiz, guys. When we submit the project regarding the submission of the project, I have explained you before the submission of the project can be okay. Let's say 17th, 21st. Okay. I think I have told you the submission date, right? 14th. The previous day only I have previous session only I have told you, right? 14th is the last day. Okay. Sir, how to decide in the... Okay, just give me a minute. It's 20. Now, no 20. I have already shared you the date. Sir, total how many courses? Regarding the courses, we will tell you till the end of the session, guys. End of the sessions does group. Yeah, you need to group up with the same college. No worries. So total how many calls? Yeah, regarding the course, we will be informing you till the end of the session. No worries, guys. How many courses you need to complete, sir? Can you explain this submission process? Regarding the submission process, yeah, that's the valid question we are going to discuss right now. Yeah, guys, regarding the teams, we are not dividing the teams, guys. Okay, your faculty are the one who is going to divide into the teams. Okay, we are not going to create your teams. I hope I am clear now. Thanks for the clarity. Yeah, thank you, guys. Okay, guys. I hope you are clear with the all the doubts today. No assignments. Yeah, regarding the assignment also, I will share you in the groups, guys. Just stay tuned with the groups in the groups. Okay. And we have one more query to solve, right? In the starting, one person have asked me that they are their college is not there in the AppSheet portal. Just try to contact your faculty, guys. Okay. Regarding the team registration, try to contact your faculty and divide into teams. Okay. No need to share. We will not give any forms, or if needed, we will be sharing any forms. If you are dividing to the teams, according to your faculty, they will be sharing us your details and we'll be go proceeding through that, sir. Smart bridge. I am not receiving any mail regarding say. Okay. I have filled the form of missing candidates. Okay. They will be informing you guys, no worries. Sir, we should prepare for the documentation. Yeah, regarding the documentation, guys. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. Quiz, no need to worry, guys. I will be giving you the quiz details also. No need to worry. No need to worry, guys. Just give me a minute. I have shared my screen and I am. Okay, guys, are you able to see my screen now? Okay. Yeah, thank you, guys. Thank you for your response. Only you need to complete the project. We have totally. First, we need to submit this project phase template that ensures students can complete. Okay, we have the project phase some template that ensures students can complete it efficiently while covering all the 6 phases. This template is structured as to capture effective information. Yeah, we have totally 6 phases and we need to complete it, guys. First, you need to share your project titles and team name. If you have any team name, you need to give a team name. No, you should give a team name. Team members, what are the team members you have? If you have one team member, you should give his name, one name, your own name. Or if you have 4 members, 3 members, everything. Brainstorming ideation. Okay. The brainstorming. Phase 1 is brainstorming, guys. Identify the problem statement, define the process and impact of the project. Key points. What are the key points you need to share? Problem statement. You need to share the problem statement. Proposed solution. Brief explanation of your idea. What is your idea? Target user. Who will be benefit by this project? Who are the people who is going to be benefited by this project? Example, the sustainable city. The people who are visiting the new city. It is it is useful for them. There you will need to share that expected outcomes. What will be the project achievements? Yeah, what are the project achievements we'll get? Requirement analysis. Requirement analysis. Technical requirements. What are the languages you have used? Functional requirements. Features the project most have. Yeah, what are the functionalities? Functional. Oh, we have discussed about functionalities, right? Those are the features. What are the challenges you have faced? Okay, these are all the things. Project design. Create an architecture and user flow. You need to create an structure, architecture here, guys. Architecture is compulsory, guys. Okay, user flow. How a user will interact with your project. Yeah, how a user can interact your project. First, where you need to enter, what are the details you need to pass. These are all you need to share. UI, UX construct. Okay, basic layout, UI, UX, how it is works. Okay, project planning. UI, UX means front end. Break down the task using methodologies as you may know. It's okay. Split planning, divide your work into task. Yeah. In team, how many people have divided and who have done the specific work? These are all you need to implement here. Task alignment. Okay. Who will do that? Okay. Timeline, milestone. Okay. Set short deadline for each task. Okay. These are all things you need to share the guys. Project documents, the app API key. Okay, API key. You need not to share the API key, guys. Don't share the API key, guys. API key is important. API, each person has his own API key. You should not share the API key because it has your details in it. Don't share your API key because if a person, whoever you have shared you with your API key, if he using a paid model in Hugging Face, or you are sharing your IBM Cloud API key. If you are sharing these API keys, you get charged, guys. If he or her using an paid models, you will be getting charged. That wise, do not share your API key. Functionalities, testing cases. You need to show your total pages, guys. What I don't know what you're sharing, guys, right now. Can you wait for a minute, guys? I will be sharing you the link. Why you are so hurry of completing? Please, guys, I don't get it. Just wait a minute. I'll be sharing, guys. Okay, no need to chat. And demo video, guys. Demo video is compulsory. GitHub repository. You need to upload your project in GitHub. And while uploading your project, you will be uploading in your repository. That repository link is compulsory. A demo video of 3 to 5 minutes is compulsory. I hope you are clear, guys. Project report based on templates. Yeah, these are all the templates you need to follow to complete that. And then presentation demo or presentation both. Okay, I hope you are clear with it, guys, how to submit your project. For now, try to build your project, guys. Okay. Till Saturday, till upcoming Saturday, try to build your project. Then in the upcoming Saturday, we will try to discuss about what? About submission process. Okay. What can I do? So joined from my college. So we should, yeah, you should prepare a documentation, guys. What I am explaining here, that is the phases. These are all the phases you need to follow to complete your project. These are all things you need to share, guys. Okay. For this Saturday, try to complete the project, guys. I hope you have understand these phases. I will be explaining this again in the Saturday or Monday. No worries. In the next session for 5 to 10 minutes. No worries, guys. No worries about that. Okay. So many people are eager to write it. Please write. I will be sharing, sir. Only join on my. You are all the one. Okay. You are only the person you have joined from the college. Okay. You can be the solo team. Sidhu. Okay. Sir, you are incorrect. We cannot change it, guys. If you are basic details, you are not doing your date of birth correctly, what can I do? IIC portal is in not my hand, right? It is an AppSheet portal. Okay. No worries for that. If you have shared the wrong details, login issues, ABCD ID blank not taking. ABCD ID blank not taking. How can we? It is optional, right? How can we create a project? Right now, I have explained you guys how can we create a project. Go to ChatGPT, give your total prompt how to build a project. I want to build a so project. I want to build a application called Sustainable City using Granite Model 3.3 to be instruct. I want to deploy it with Flask. I want to integrate Hugging Face API key or IBM API key, or I want to download a model. Okay, these are all things we need to give. These are all my functionalities. My functionalities for this application. Or if a new person enters the city, he he will ask for the landmarks and give the city name. He give the input of the city name, and the model gives the landmarks. He give the city name. He give the city name as input, and the model give the air quality index. All of this. These are all the functionalities. Just give me a code to build this application. Give me a Python code. If you are asking Flask, Streamlit, Fast API, the the LLM will give you a Python code. I am not receiving any mail regarding the workshop. I didn't fill any form. They didn't share any form, guys. If they have shared, if you have got any form, just share me it. Just share it in Q&A session, guys. I have asked our team, our operational team. They told me that they didn't share any form. Okay, send the documentation in the WhatsApp group. Sir. Okay. Regarding that, I will be sharing the documentation. Please work on the projects, guys. Okay, I will be sharing. No worries. No worries. Please, my curious. Can you share the sample templates? No, I cannot share the sample templates. Okay, we need to discuss. I think two more projects. Edu tutor. In the edu tutor, what is an edu tutor? In the edu tutor is a simple personalized tutor, guys, where a person, let's say, you want to learn a language, he come to our portal. He give a specific language. In English, I want to learn grammar. The model should give the output. Other functionalities can be, he can give a PDF. Okay, he can give a PDF, and the model should ask a quiz regarding the PDF because you want to write an exam of upcoming days on the specific PDFs. He want to learn about it, or he can give a PDF. The model should summarize that PDF. These are all the functionalities you can add in the EduTutor. I think you are clear with the EduTutor, guys. Sir, can you share these sample templates? I cannot share that, guys. Okay. Thank you, sir, for administration. Huh? In the WhatsApp group form link has only chosen WhatsApp group link. Who are sharing the WhatsApp group links, guys? No, don't fill any other links, guys. The links come from me or the Arvind sir or the management team, Ganesh sir, or any other management team. From the smart bridge only you can use that. Okay. Any other links, you should not accept that. Okay. I hope you are clear now. Edututor. Are you clear with the edututor, guys? A person want to learn a concept. Let's say English. I want to learn English grammar. The model should give that. Other functionality is that a person uploads a PDF. The model will ask the concept in the PDF as a questions, and you need to answer. These are all the things. And a person gives a PDF. The model should summarize this. These are all the functionalities you can add in the editor. Are you clear with it, sir? How to deploy the project code? So that's what the sir is saying, right, guys? In the classes, what sir is saying, how to build the application, how to deploy it. Just go to the classes, guys. I'm explaining the most of the things right now. I am explaining the code where you can build, how you can build. Okay. Edututor has been completed. Are you clear with the edututor, guys? I need a thumbs up now. I need a thumbs up from everyone, guys. Are you clear with the edututor or not? Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you for your response, guys. And last thing we have left over with citizens AI. And the citizens AI, let's say in the citizens AI, a person comes, a person can, let's say you build a citizens AI for India. Okay. In this platform, a person can give basic details like what are the schemes we have for the education, and the model will give the output in the India what he has a schemes for the education. Are you clear with the citizen say, guys? Let's say a citizen is new to our country. There you need to know the schemes of the education or you know the schemes for the agriculture. He can give the agriculture and we'll get the schemes. And other thing is, let's say, city indexes, which is the best place to live in the city. These are all the things you can add in the city AI. And the laws, what are the laws we have in the agriculture field, what are the laws we need to follow to export import process. These are all we can add in the city AI. These are all the functionalities you can add. Are you clear with the city AI project, guys? I hope you are clear with the project titles, how to build the project titles, where to build the project titles. I need a thumbs up from everyone, guys. Okay, thumbs down. I think most of the, yeah. Thank you, guys. Quiz 2. I have shared the quiz 2 link in the class, guys, in the Q&A session. Please share to your friends in the WhatsApp also. Okay. I will be sharing that. Okay. Quiz 2. Quiz 2 links I have shared you guys. I don't know why you are eager to answer this quiz. Okay. Who is to please complete the quiz, guys. Quiz link. I have shared you the quiz link. Like, guys, please complete the quiz, guys. Track name is Generative AI with IBM. What are you, sir? We are getting track name as sales for it. Okay, sorry, guys. Sorry for that. I think they don't answer the quiz, guys. Okay, where is the quiz? It's the Gen AI with IBM. Okay, Control C. Okay, guys, don't try to complete the first quiz. Try to go to the second quiz, guys. I think share the quiz link first. Okay. Don't try to answer the first quiz, guys. Second quiz, I have shared you the link once again. Generative AI with IBM. Quiz 2 link is again shared to you. Just complete the quiz, guys, as soon as possible. Okay. Yeah, regarding the project last date, guys, I have given you the last date. Once again, I am giving the last date. Let's say, okay, as we don't have much time, I will extend it to 21, guys. 21 is the last date to submit the project. 21st of June. 21st of the June is the last date. Okay, is that clear, guys? Just give me a thumbs up. And we'll be closing the session now. We'll be ending the session. Okay, last day to complete the project, 21st June. Is it clear, guys? Just give me a thumbs up. I'll be leaving the session. I'll be ending the session, sir. No workshop, no, sir. No, I'm not getting any second link. I have shared the once again the link, guys. Just complete it. Sir, each team there may be 5. No, each 4 members only. In each team, 4 members. Final. That's it. Sir, I have filled the first form. Should I say? Don't complete the first form, guys. Salesforce. Why you are doing the Salesforce, guys? Complete the Gen AI, okay? The people who have responded very fast, that's thank you. Sure, I have filled the first form, second. Yeah, just leave about the first form, complete the second form, okay? Again, sir, please send the notepad that you have noted, sir. That will be helpful to us. Yeah. Okay. I'll be sharing that, no worries. So it says that you have already responded. No worries, no worries. Try to log in with another link if you, sir, I'm only one form. Yeah, if you are only one from your college, you can make your own team, okay? Solo team. You can go with a solo team. You are one person, you can go with a solo team and you can build your project. Yeah, try to use another mail, guys. Not don't go with Salesforce track, guys. Go with the link which I have shared you now. Please tell your friends also. Okay. Please tell your friends in your the last date of completing the project is. Thank you for your response, guys. That is so grateful of you. Bye, guys. I think we can end the session today. You are clear with the projects. So the use case are user gives him. Yeah, you can use multiple use cases, guys. Yeah, Hitesh, you can use multiple use cases. You can use multiple functionalities like diseases, home remedies, or just search for it. Better if you are giving more functionalities, right? So compulsory four. Yeah, compulsory four, not more than four. Okay. Just try to contact your team. Contact your not team. Contact your college. Okay. Contact your college lecturers and discuss with them. Okay. Only four members. Compulsory four members. Four or less, not greater than one, two, three, four. This is the count of the team. Should not cross that. Sir, can I submit the form with another mail? Yeah, you can do that also. I am unable to submit the form. Yeah, you can do with another mail also. Okay, guys, have a great day. I hope your queries has been solved. Most of the queries has been solved regarding the projects. It is already a 2.5 hour session. That's great. Okay, no problem. Bye, guys. Have a great day. See you on upcoming session. Bye, guys. Try to complete the project till 21st June. Bye, guys.